Hi guys, my name is Mauricio Domínguez. It's from explication for a tourist place. We are going to visit from family in the pyramid from the pyramid of Teotihuacan from Mexico. I can do it's a very good for from pets is the visit from the pyramid at Teotihuacan from Mexico. We are going to the person it's I love is a tourist place from the Mexico is the Momias de Guanajuato. We are going to visit from the culture in the Rus is a mountain in the Everest. I can do it's a long from the docks. I can do it's allowed it's at the cats. I cannot from the person is the smoke because because is a warning from the police because it's the arrest. We are going to the commercial from the pyramid Teotihuacan from Mexico. Is at the shoes, is at the shirt, is at the pants, is at the etc. I can do from the foods is the commercial from the pyramid Teotihuacan from Mexico. We are going to the friend is at the visitor my friends from the conversation from the history the pyramid Teotihuacan from Mexico. I can do is that my friends is the history from the Mexican from the Miguel Hidalgo Niños Héroes, etc. etc. See you later. Goodbye.